Hi, I'm Arham and I'm going to talk a little bit about anxiety. What is anxiety? आम अल्फाज में इसको हम ज़हनी दबाव या ज़हनी उलझन का नाम दे देते हैं. समटाइम्स इन्हीं अल्फाज से हम एंग्ज़ाइटी के बहुत हाई लेवल को इग्नोर भी कर देते हैं. सो आम हालात में हम किस तरह की एंग्ज़ाइटी एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं? फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, students experience performance anxiety before going to exams and preparing for their exams. Actors शायद स्टेज पे जाने से पहले किसी एंग्जाइटी का शिकार होते हों. अक्सर स्टेज फ्राइट का लफ्ज़ भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Similarly, there can be many other forms of anxieties. It can be anxiety about meeting your boss, for a meeting, for to do something. Sometimes it can be unusual. It's beneficial in some ways. A normal level of anxiety is beneficial, जहाँ पर it helps you to prepare for the upcoming task. आप तैयारी करते हैं वो anxiety आपको उस task के लिए prepare करने में help करती है. But what are the other forms जहाँ पर anxiety परेशान कौन या इतनी disturbing हो जाती है कि it becomes difficult for somebody to carry on the normal tasks of their life. Some of the examples of anxiety can be panic attack, which is a severe form of losing control on oneself, and similarly OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, बार बार हाथ धोना, बार बार बिस्तर ठीक करना, एक ही काम को बार बार दोहराना बग़ैर किसी ज़रूरत के, क्योंकि आपका माइंड आपको कंपेल करता है to do something and you're obsessed with one thought. Similarly, there can be many anxiety-related disorders which are there. So, why this anxiety and what are their sources? There can be biological sources, for example, drugs, chemical imbalances. Anxiety can come from your some psychological disturbance which is there in your unconscious. It can also come from some trauma or some negative incident. किसी की ज़िंदगी में कोई ऐसा वाक़या, कोई ऐसा दर्दनाक ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग इवेंट हुआ हो. It can be child abuse to so many different forms which can be there, losing a loved one in the very initial stages of life. So it can all lead to some anxious patterns. So these are the causes which can lead to anxiety.